Thailand has clarified that visitors from Singapore need not quarantine themselves if they are healthy. There's been confusion over the country's travel restrictions after a post by the Public Health Minister suggested that visitors from 11 high-risk nations would need to self-quarantine. Saksi Sambat explains.
The most important bit of news first. No, you will not be forced into self-quarantine for 2 weeks when you arrive here in Thailand. It is not compulsory or mandatory in order to prevent the spread of COVID-19. That clarification came from the Thai Public Health Ministry following a series of very confusing and at times very contradictory statements. So what happened here? On Tuesday afternoon, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Public Health, Anutin Charnvirakul, posted on Facebook showing a document saying that all arrivals from Japan, Germany, South Korea, China, Hong Kong, Macau, Taiwan, France, Iran, Italy and Singapore would be required to self-quarantine themselves for 2 weeks. No exceptions, be patient, said the post. But then the post and the whole Facebook profile of the minister went missing without any trace, leaving a lot of people, especially a lot of tourists, with unanswered questions. Then on Wednesday morning, the Public Health Ministry clarified that these measures are not compulsory, especially if people arriving here show no symptoms that are associated with the coronavirus. They may be asked to undergo a quick health screening and also be asked to provide a valid address of their accommodation. And until then, all the current measures and conditions remain the same unless a new law or new measure is being announced and published in the Royal Gazette. Mr. Anutin himself, meanwhile, has dodged questions why he posted that document and why it quickly disappeared so quickly alongside with his profile, saying that revisions need to be made without elaborating what exactly that means. Thailand's tourism industry is still a vital pillar of the country's economy and is suffering greatly from the outbreak of the coronavirus, with many tourists staying away, especially those from China, the biggest group of tourists in recent years. According to the Tourism Authority of Thailand, they are projecting 6 million less tourists than last year, and that makes it a drop of 12%. Saksi Sambat, CNA, Bangkok.